Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use frames in animation. Frames are the fundamental building blocks of any animated sequence, essentially individual pictures shown rapidly. When these still images, or frames, are displayed in quick succession, typically at 24 frames per second, our brains perceive continuous motion. Understanding how each frame contributes to the overall flow is crucial for creating compelling and lifelike animation. Moving on, let's explore keyframes and in-betweens. Keyframes are critical points in your animation, marking significant changes in position or form. Think of them as the main poses. In-between frames then smoothly connect these keyframes, filling in all the subtle movements in between. This process allows animators to focus on the core action first, then refine the fluidity, saving a significant amount of time and effort in the animation pipeline. Next, we'll discuss frame rate and timing, which are essential for the feel of your animation. Frame rate dictates how many individual frames are shown in 1 second, directly influencing how fast or slow motion appears. While 24 frames per second is standard for film, 12 frames per second can create a choppier, more stylized look. Precise timing of each frame allows you to control the weight, impact, and personality of every movement. Finally, let's look at practical application. Always arrange your frames in the correct sequence on a timeline to ensure your animation plays as intended. Many software tools offer onion skinning, allowing you to see a faint outline of adjacent frames, which is incredibly helpful for maintaining consistency and smooth transitions. Don't be afraid to experiment with varying frame rates to discover unique visual styles and convey different emotions in your animated pieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.